Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today you learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Red color, green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for ant, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use green color. The alphabets of E. Kids, again use green color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. And again use green color. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for grapes, and again use green color. It's now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use yellow color. The alphabets of H. Kids, again use yellow color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids, again use yellow color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use blue color. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, again use blue color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color. The alphabets of O. Kids, again use black color and draw P. The alphabets of V. P for parrot, V for penguin. Kids, again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. And again use black color, black color. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rice. And again use black color. Kids, now draw S. S for sun, S for snake. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids, now U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. And again use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. The alphabets of U. Kids, now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. And use red color, red color. The alphabets of V. Kids, again use red color and draw W. W for wolf, W for watch. The alphabets of W. Kids, now draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. And again use red color, red color. The alphabets of X. Kids, now you draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. The alphabets of Y. Sorry kids, the mistake. And use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. And again use green color. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.